Insurance Agency, and today I want to talk about workers' compensation premium, or more specifically, the experience modifier, or MOD. So a lot of people get a little confused about the experience modifier and how it is going to impact their premium. So it is exactly what it sounds like. It is a modifier, so it does modify the amount of premium that you pay. To start, what we have is a benchmark or average of how many claims your industry and payroll has. So we take a look at your industry classification and the size of your payroll, and we compare you to other companies that are very similar to yours. We then look at how many claims on average that industry and payroll size has. So if you are meeting the average right at the benchmark, then your experience modifier will be a 1. However, if you're having more claims than average, then your experience modifier is going to go up. Likewise, if you're having fewer claims, your experience modifier can go down. So when it is higher than a 1, it is going to multiply how much premium you have, maybe by like 1.2. And similarly, if it's lower, you might be only having a multiplication of 0.8. So the higher modification codes increases the premium, whereas the lower modification codes actually have the opposite effect and could actually decrease your premium. So it is important when you are doing your workers' comp insurance that you look at your experience modifier worksheet and make sure that you have an accurate industry code and that your payroll is accurate, so we can make sure that we're benchmarking you appropriately against similar industries. Likewise, the experience modifier really highlights the importance of a safety culture. Anything that you can do to bring down your claims or prevent them entirely is going to benefit you directly through your experience modifier. So now the experience modifier is only one factor in your premium calculation, but it is an important one. So I hope that helps explain the experience modifier and you have a little bit of a better understanding of how it is calculated and how it affects your premium. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at Sterling Meadows Insurance Agency. We're happy to answer your questions and go over your workers' comp just to make sure that everything is accurate. Thank you and have a nice day.